In the big breaking news of today, Cooper Webb and KTM have officially parted ways. Now, this is supposedly a mutual agreement, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put my bias on it and think that Cooper Webb ended this. Yes, he had the little injury in the practice crash, but obviously, the full on rumor has been that he's going to leave KTM and go to Star Racing or go to Yamaha for next year. My idea is, after 4.5 years, 2 Supercross titles, and 21 main event wins, something like that, it's been kind of well known that Cooper Webb hasn't been very happy with the KTM for a couple of years, whether it's the frame or something about it, whatever. You can tell he just hasn't been happy with that bike. And going back to Yamaha, where he won his 250 title? I don't actually remember. Probably just seems like the right way to go. I mean, you can see how fast that bike is. You can see Eli Tomac on it, and just see how well of a bike they developed. And I'm saying Cooper Webb ended this because there's no way that KTM, after 2 Supercross titles in 4 years, they would say, thanks Cooper, goodbye, see you later. I think it's him saying, I don't like the bike, I don't care about the money, I want to move to a bike that I'm going to feel comfortable on and possibly can win more championships, especially with Eli Tomac. That's going to be a massive team, and between the two of them, I mean, there's a bunch of Supercross titles, motocross titles, experience. I think he's going to do really well. It is going to be one of those things, though, that, I mean, he did obviously go from the 250s to the 450s on a Yamaha. It was a different team and all that kind of stuff, but obviously it's a new bike, new years, everything. But I think he's going to do well. I can't see that KTM was the side that wanted to end this, because you look how long they stuck with Musquin, who never won a title. I think it was just Cooper saying, I don't care about the money, I'm not comfortable on this bike, or I'm not comfortable with next year's version of this bike, whatever it is. But in the comments below, you tell me, who do you think ended it? Is it really a quote-unquote mutual decision, or whatever you want to say? And, well, how well do you think he's going to do on Yamaha? And also, I guess, when do you think he's going to show up on Yamaha? If all things work out, supposedly, he could, I think it's for the playoffs for SMX, he could be on it. But he did end up saying on his Instagram, saying, quote, forever grateful for the opportunity that Roger, Ian, and the entire Red Bull and KTM factory racing team gave me. It has been one hell of a ride, and I'm proud of what we accomplished these past 5 seasons. So, obviously it's PR stuff. You're not going to be like, screw you guys, I'm gone. But, I don't know, you tell me. In the comments below, like I said, how well do you think he does? When does he appear? Is he out for the whole summer, or what? But, whatever it is, comment it down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.